Hi and welcome to lesson 3. This is a new exercise. We have the drawings and we have a sheet. We can see the 3D model of it. We have lines, a polyline, and then a radius, a arc. And you try to do it yourself. Pause the video and try for yourself and try to do it as accurate and fast, as quick as you can. And I will do the exercise now in Fusion 360. We create a new plane and we choose line tools. Just click and then you press it down when you got it like that. And escape. And then we have the dimension. Should be 20. And we are soon done. When it's black, it's fully constrained, and then we extrude it 20, I guess. We check 60, 20, 80 radius. Oh, it got too many dimensions. It's over constrained. Oh, 25. Sorry. Then I can show you how you go in the timeline, the future, edit future, and press to 25. And we pick the body and properties. And if you have done it correct, you should got if you got millimeters as units, the volume is 1.00685,834 and so on. Have you managed to do it yourself? Great! And see you soon for more exercise. Bye, thank you.